Look at to the page 198, examples involving a power of x, e power of x, ln x. How to integrate this function by using integration by substitution. First step, we let u is equivalent to 1 minus 3x. Differentiate u, so you will get negative 3 of the dx. So we need to move negative 3 to the other side. Negative 1 over 3 du is equivalent to dx. Later on, we can change our dx in terms of u, which is negative 1 over 3 du. So what happened to your question? Pi power of 1 minus 3x over 4 dx. Negative 1 over 3. Can put 1 over 4 outside also. 1 over 4. Pi power of u du equivalent to negative 1 over 12. So when you refer to the list of formula, so you can see that when you try to integrate b power of x, where b is a constant, so you will get b power of x over ln b plus c. Pi power of u over ln pi plus c. Then we change everything back in terms of x. Negative 1 over 12 is your u. U is equivalent to 1 minus 3x. So pi power of 1 minus 3x over ln pi plus c. So this is your final answer. Now we move to the example part E. How to integrate this function? First step, we let u is equivalent to 3 square root of x. It's better for you to put 3 square root of x in terms of 3x power of 1 over 2. Then differentiate u, so you will get 3 over 2 x power of negative 1 over 2 of the dx. Or we can rewrite as 3 over 2 square root of x of the dx. So go back to your question. So we have 1 over square root of x of the dx here. So we need to rearrange this function. 2 over 3 of the du is equivalent to 1 over square root of x of the dx. E power of 3 square root of x over square root of x dx. In terms of u will become 2 over 3. And then e power of u of the du. So this one will become 2 over 3 of the du. So this one e power of u. Next, integrate 2 over 3. When you refer to the list of formula, when you integrate e power of x of the dx, so you will get e power of x plus c. E power of u plus c. Then change everything in terms of x. 2 over 3 e power of 3 square root of x plus c. So this is your final answer. Now we move to the example part H. How to integrate this function? So the first step, let u is equivalent to 7 plus 4x. Differentiate u, so you will get 4 of the dx. 1 over 4 du is equivalent to dx. So what happened to your question? 1 over 7 plus 4x dx is actually equivalent to 1 over 4 1 over u of the du. When you refer to the list of formula, integrate 1 over x of the dx, so you will get ln modulus of x plus c. 1 over 4 ln u plus c. Change in terms of x, 1 over 4 ln 7 plus 4x plus c. This is your final answer.